Actually, I have to know.
Yes, Kakapel is one of the counties that is richly blessed with diverse experiences, ranging from the rich cultural heritage. We have the marine tourism, we have adventure tourism sports, and we also have our rich diverse cultures. So today here we are at Kakapel rock art site, one of Kenya's premium rock art sites. And alongside that, we also have other rock art sites. We have Kekalet, where we're supposed to go from here, and we also have Awata rock art site. All the three sites, rock art sites, are in Teso North, and then we have another one in Teso South called Akites. So clearly that tells you that Busia is an endowed county in terms of tourism. One would always look forward to visiting. Asanteni sana.
And also I'm a tourism enthusiast. So this means a lot to us as an organization, but also to me as a person. Asante sana. It was on a short notice, but you've made it. We really honor that. And we look forward to even having better and more conversations about how we can rebuild this place and make it marketable to the outside world.
Then I want to congratulate the department for organizing this day, and also to mention to it that we need to do much better for the tourist sites within Busia County. Sababu, we have that potential. We have the potential to create employment. We have the potential to build this place. Na tukiweka sisi wote pamoja tutoe siasa ndani ya tourism, tunaweza enda kwenda mbele. Mahali popote wakati wanazungumzia about the headquarters of Teso culture ni hapa Kakapel. And I also want to say that the king, who is our leader, is also the spokesperson of the Teso community. That said and done, I want to congratulate the department for organizing this day, and also to mention to it that we need to do much better for the tourist sites within Busia County. Sababu, we have that potential. We have the potential to create employment. We have the potential to build this place. Na tukiweka sisi wote pamoja tutoe siasa ndani ya tourism, tunaweza enda kwenda mbele. Hapa Kakapel ni nyumbani. Wakati Martha aliniambia nikuja, I said as much as I have other activities, we need to come together. This is also part of marketing of Kakapel. Huwa napenda kuita Kakapel monument. But sasa tunasema ni Kakapel tourist. Inaitwa nini?
Kakapel Premier Rock Art Site.
Yeah, Kakapel Premier Rock Art Site. Sisi tumezoea kuita Kakapel Museum. So mimi ningependa kuwakaribisha siku ya leo tuweze kuangalia zile culture zetu tuko nazo hapa Kakapel. Tuweze pia kuangalia mazingira na kuweza kuyatunza. Apart from hiyo, kuna kitu moja ningependa kusema tu kwa jamii yetu ya Teso community, maneno ya GBV, especially on defilement cases. Zimeanza kuwa mingi, na hiyo si culture yetu sisi kama Wateso ya hii sehemu. Wakati defilement cases zinaanza kupanda juu, when we are having kids around 12, 13, 14 getting pregnant, that is not part of our culture. So as we are celebrating tourism day to day, let us put it that turudi kwa mizizi yetu kama Wateso. Turudi kwa mizizi yetu kama watu ya Teso North constituency, Busia yote kwa jumla, tuweze kuwachunga watoto wetu. So for the purpose of this day, mimi ningependa kusema county government asante sana, dhamira moja asante sana kuja kwa pamoja, tuweze kusherekea utamaduni wetu kama Wateso na kama watu ya Busia County. And that's it and done, mimi ningependa kufungua siku hii, tuweze kupanda miti kwa pamoja.
Busia is too much endowed with a lot of tourist attraction sites. And last year, the department led by my director and my chief, we started mapping out our tourist sites, something that had not been done since inception of devolution. But because we are now we still call ourselves a new government led by Dr. Paul Nyongesa Otuoma, we have a directorate of tourism that is very active, and we shall ensure that after we have mapped our tourist attraction site and we have looked at their ability, once we explore their potential, then it will open out Busia to the world. Otherwise, karibuni sana. And as I'm here, I'm representing our governor, His Excellency Dr. Paul Nyongesa Otuoma. It being a tourism week, and I know in Kenya we were given a list of the parks that will be visited for free today and maybe tomorrow. And I know people in charge of this particular sanctuary here will also allow our people from Busia County and even beyond to visit this place today and tomorrow for free.
We come here to celebrate the World Tourism Week. This is the climax, and we are saying as Busia County, we really cherish tourism, and we want to speak to the world and tell the world that Busia, in terms of it matters tourism, Busia is a place to be. As you can see for yourself, these natural rocks that we have here, we have the lakes, we have the hills, talk of Samia Hills, talk of the lakes, back in Bunyala and Samia. So Busia, if you want to marry in tourism, if you want to enjoy tourism, this is the place to be. And just like Waziri said, we are looking like tourists themselves. If you look, we are very delighted. And we say karibuni sana to Busia, wageni wetu, we really appreciate you. Busia tunasema karibuni, and we appreciate you.
Get a chance. So maybe who is in charge of the entire team? Let's introduce yourselves together.
I am so honored to stand here today as Veteranist Tourism Busia 2025-2026. Today we are celebrating the World Tourism Day, a day that reminds us how beautiful our world is. Tourism helps us learn about new things. We learn about meeting new people, share